Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be making cotton wool waterproof firelighters. I could have probably said that a lot easier, but here's what she looks like. Nice and easy, completely waterproof. This one's a bit dirty because I managed to drop him on the floor, so don't worry about that too much. But yeah, I'll quickly just dunk it in this water to show you. As you can see, she doesn't want to sink at all. It's nice and waterproof. So we've got that soaked up, and then I'll quickly just light it here for you and show you how it goes, and then we'll get on to showing you how to make them. There we go, beautiful. Now remember, this was just soaked, so it's going to be a little bit harder to light up. If this was dry, it pretty much lights up instantly, guys. Just a heads up. I wasn't just struggling, all right? There is things with it. But you can see that is going. It'll start to slow down here in a minute and then just continue to burn for a long time. So, all right. Give me a sec, and then we'll get in and I'll teach you guys how to make these. All right, welcome back. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some paraffin wax on the heat. You are playing with fire, be careful, guys. Please, for the life of me, be careful. I don't want someone coming and go, oh, we burn ourselves because of the stuff you do. Well, use your bloody brain full. Fire hot, bad, hurties, ow. Alright. So all you're going to need is 100% cotton wool balls. We've got a heap here. Some paraffin wax and some petroleum jelly, guys. Or vaseline. So it's that easy. That's all we need. The vaseline will be there to waterproof it. I'll explain that in a sec. And then the wax, obviously, well, you can tell. So, alright, all you're going to do is get in your cotton wool ball, find the edge. They can take a bit of fiddling around sometimes, so I find the best way is just to gently pull it and go around the outside until you get him. And give him a bit of fluff out like that and leave it like this, guys. Alright, so then next thing all we're going to do is just dunk him straight in the wax. Let him soak up a bit. Let him dribble off a little bit. Put him down onto our baking paper. That's it, guys. Then we just let him cool off, harden up. We'll make a few of them for you here. This one's been a little bit, but you'll get this every once in a while. It's fine, guys. It doesn't make a difference. As long as you just soak him straight onto your baking paper. That's it. Now, I'll do one more, and then I did one a little bit earlier, and I'll show you guys how to waterproof it. Easy as. Look, 3 little firelighters. Easy as. No real mess. This thing's not even half burnt yet. You see it's just absolutely pumping along. Great little firelighter. Alright, Vaseline. Alright, so once your wax is all dried up and whatnot, it's still a little bit soft. I didn't give it enough time. But we're just going to get some Vaseline. Smear him on this bit here. So the fluffy bit that we left, we're going to want to Vaseline up, guys. Make sure you get it nice and proper, because that's essentially where we start our fire. Then, that's it pretty much. There's not really much else to it except for to start him on fire. You can, as you saw earlier, it is easier to light up with a ferro rod or a flint and steel, or if you're cheating like me, then you just use a fire source that's already there, so it makes life a bit easier. As you can see in the background here, these are some makeup removal pads that we turned into firelighters. I did that on a previous video, which I'll put the link up to in just a moment. And then this one here is going to be our next video. I might be doing actually a couple of things, not just these. So I've got a few things and ideas that I want to throw at you, and hopefully you want to come and check them out. So remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can check it out when we throw that up in just a few days. So, but you all take care of yourselves. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want to catch us live, well, then check us out on twitch.tv/DevilRossGaming or on Instagram at DevilRossGaming. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Have fun.